The problem? A tight, constricted throat. You don't even have to be a vocal coach to know that this exists. You felt it. Hopefully you don't feel it so much now, but we've all experienced it. A lot of my students make fun of me because I talk about a dragon having you within its grasp, within its talons. It can feel like that depending on how extreme it is. But the good news is that we can release the throat, or the pharynx, the pharyngeal space as it's sometimes called. In A Approach, we divide the space into three sections. Well, science divides the space into three sections: your laryngeal pharynx, your oral pharynx, and your nasal pharynx. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to release the laryngeal pharynx. And the good news is there are easy techniques to release each section. So let's begin with a little bit of coordination. Benefits of this lesson. By making creative use of the ancient pranayama technique Ujjayi, we improve the muscle memory of the vocal folds while simultaneously strengthening the breathing muscles. Range, control, and tonal quality are all immediately improved. Healthy vocal fry without the interference of the gastric muscle strengthens the inner edge function of the vocal folds, restoring crispness and clarity and a sense of lightness to the voice. As healthy space is restored in the laryngeal pharynx, overall resonance improves and a richer vocal tone results.